Let's clean kitchen together. Let's clean kitchen together. These are the dishes. These are the dishes. I put them in the sink. I put them in the sink. This is a sponge. This is a sponge. I add some dish soap. I add some dish soap. I scrub the plates. I scrub the plates with the sponge. I rinse the plates. I rinse the plates with water. This is a dish towel. This is a dish towel. I dry the plates. I dry the plates with a dish towel. This is a spray bottle. This is a spray bottle. I spray the counter. I spray the counter. I wipe the counter. I wipe the counter with a cloth. This is the stove. This is the stove. I wipe the stove. I wipe the stove carefully. This is the trash can. This is the trash can. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I put a new bag in it. I put a new bag in it. Look, the kitchen is clean now. Look, the kitchen is clean now. I love a clean kitchen. I love a clean kitchen. All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.